Take two. Action. Hi guys, so we've just filmed a clip of reversing a trailer. I don't know whether or not it will actually make it to YouTube or we'll film another clip, but we'll now do how to take off the dingo trailer. So first things first, before you even come near all of that, we need to make sure there's a chuck behind the wheel. So just make sure that gets popped in there and nice and secure. If you were at the yard and you were parking on this side of the yard, we have actual ones in the ground, like curbing parking, to make it easy. So jockey wheel down, then you come in here, you can open up the clip, lift this guy up, the hitch up, that will hold in place there and stay open, so you don't have to hold it open while you unhitch. One tip as well, leave at least one chain hooked up to the car in case you forget to put a chuck behind, or there's a bit of distance between the car and the chuck and for whatever reason the handbrake didn't get put on, or the handbrake's a bit dodgy on your trailer. You've got that security because it'll stay hooked up to the car from the chain. So next is our handbrake. This one is just like that. You just flick it around and put it in place, and then we'll do our jockey wheel, lefty loosey for down, righty tighty for up. And, might just take a minute of this. See how she rolled a little bit? If she had rolled a lot, the chain would have been there to hold it. The lights can come off, and then your chain can come off. And then pop that back on there so you don't lose it. Up to you, then you can close that down. We like to leave it up so it's ready to be hooked up again with the next client. So that is basically it. That's how you disconnect from this able trailer, which we use for our dingoes. We will do another one on the I4 Williams trailers maybe in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching everybody, and make sure you smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with more tips and tricks.